If you are planning to buy a second-hand or a refurbished laptop or PC, don't rush. First check these three things. They will reveal the real condition of the device. Let's get into it.
What the fuck do you mean secondhand coffins? Where's the first user?
Number 1. SSD or hard disk health check. First install a app called CrystalDiskInfo. It shows you how much life is left in the SSD or hard disk, the power cycle count, and how much data has been read or written. Basically, you will know if the device is still healthy or close to dying. Number 2. Battery cycle count. Open CMD and type this command. Then go to your user folder. You will find a battery report that tells you the original design capacity and the current full charge capacity. With this, you can easily figure out how much battery health is left. Number 3. Stress test. Now let's push the system to its limits. Download AIDA64 Extreme, select everything and hit start. Let it run for 20 to 30 minutes. If it survives without restarting and no CPU throttling, boom, the hardware is solid. If it restarts, it's a red flag. Something is wrong, maybe the thermals or faulty components. If you see a little throttling, don't panic. It just means the thermal paste is probably dried out. Ask the seller to replace it and test again. And that's it. If you follow these three checks, you won't regret buying your second-hand or refurbished laptop or PC. Thanks for watching.